If you're going to do a home-based retwist or you're going to retwist yourself at home, I will highly discourage you from using gels or waxes to retwist your hair. The reason being there's a high possibility that you're just going to pick up because people think the product is locking your hair. It's not. And then what happens is you create a problem that now you have to take to your loctician to fix. And they charge you more because you were trying to do it yourself. And I don't mean you shouldn't do it yourself. When your hair is wet, that's a nice place to retwist. When you're trying to retwist at home, you're not trying to be Instagramming and making sure that you look exactly like you look when you're coming from a loctician. That's not gonna happen. The difference when you do your own makeup and when a master makeup stylist does your own hair. Get used to that idea. You're just retwisting at home to maintain the health of your hair and to keep them from matting, not to get that Instagrammic look. Now you want to do your own styling and all that. No, I encourage people to go to locticians for that. But I also encourage you to wash your own hair and retwist your own hair at home when your hair is wet. And then you oil your hair and then you can style your hair and all those other beautiful things that come after that. Peace out.